The cabin air filter in your 2022-2023 Nissan Pathfinder is crucial for maintaining clean air inside your vehicle. It traps dust, pollen, and other pollutants, preventing them from entering the cabin through the AC system. A clogged filter reduces airflow, decreases AC efficiency, and can cause musty odors. Replace the filter every 12,000, 15,000 miles or every 12 to 18 months, or more often if you drive in dusty conditions. Ignoring replacement can lead to costly AC repairs and exacerbate respiratory issues. Consider upgrading to a high-efficiency filter with nanofiber technology for improved air quality. First, gather your tools. A new OEM or compatible cabin air filter with part number 27277-5NA0A, and optionally a screwdriver and gloves. Park your car on a level surface and turn off the engine. Access the filter by opening the passenger side glove box. Depress the side tabs to lower it completely. Remove the old filter from the housing behind the glove box, noting the airflow direction arrow. Insert the new filter with the arrow facing the same direction as the old one. Reassemble the glove box and test the AC to ensure improved airflow. This process should take 10 to 20 minutes. Always consult your owner's manual for specific instructions.